Hi my beauties, so today I'm going to show you how I do my own facial at home using some kitchen products. So let's get into it. So the first step is to double cleanse, which means you will wash your face with two cleansers. The first one is usually an oil-based cleanser, which here I am using an avocado oil. But you can use olive oil, sweet almond oil, or even you can buy a ready-made oil cleanser. It is easily available in the market. You can do it every day for about 30 seconds to 1 minute to remove the makeup and pollutants from your skin. And after massaging, I am wiping it off with a wet cotton pad. No matter your skin type, don't let the word oil scare you. So how this works is like dissolves like, meaning using oil on your skin will lift excess sebum, clean out the clogged pores like blackheads, whiteheads, and remove dead skin cells, pollutants, and makeup from the skin. Now we are going to cleanse again with milk and honey. Dipping a cotton pad in it and squeezing the excess out. And you want to wipe your face gently in circular motion with the cotton. And don't forget the areas around your mouth and hairline. Now I'm massaging it a little and will rinse it off with some lukewarm water. Now I'm going to steam my face off camera, and this is to open the pores. Step 2 is to use a scrub. For that I'm taking some yogurt, oats powder and besan. Mixing all the ingredients together. And I'm going to scrub using gentle circular motion for about 2 to 3 minutes. Oats, yogurt and besan, all three are some great natural exfoliators. Now this is a beetroot lip scrub. I made a video on how to make this on my Instagram channel. So if you want to know how to make this, check out my Instagram. The link is in my description. And I'm going to scrub the lip scrub on my lips for about a minute or two. This is great if you have dry or chappy lips, and even it is great for pigmentation. Now wash it off with some lukewarm water. This step makes the skin so soft and smooth by removing the dead skin and any dirt and grime off the skin and making the skin look really bright and healthy. Step number 3 is to massage the skin with some moisturizing cream or aloe vera gel. I'm using this one from Ipa Cosmetics and I'm applying it all over the face and using some massaging techniques I learned to drain the toxins out of the skin. So here I'm making 3 circles on the area under my cheek and over my jawline, and making sure you are removing the toxins away by lifting your hand up and away from the face. Now I'm using my knuckles to lift the area around my cheekbones. Now something for the under eye puffiness, dragging my finger down and out from the face like so. And a few massages for your forehead and eyebrow lift and fine lines. You want to do it gently, but it is completely normal if your face gets a little hot and red while doing this. Step number 4 is to use a face mask. I am taking some multani mitti and some beetroot juice. This is freshly squeezed beetroot juice, and I'm going to take some milk. And now mixing it together really nicely, and I'm going to apply it all over my face using my fingers. Multani mitti is by far an oily skin's best friend. And the beetroot is an excellent source of antioxidants that can increase the blood circulation, giving the skin a really healthy look and a glow from within. Also applying a thick layer of my favorite lip balm from Iba. This one is in the mango flavor, and this is to nourish and hydrate the lips. Now letting it dry for 15 to 20 minutes. and washing it off with some plain water. You can see the results for yourself from a single use. Now I'm toning my face using a face mist from Lavish. This is a rose water actually. So I'm patting it into my skin. And next I'm using a light moisturizing cream from Simple. I'm really liking the results of this cream. I might do a story review on my Instagram. You can follow me there if you want to check out some reviews and DIYs, some more 1-minute stuff. And now I'm using this face serum. This one is from Lavish again, and I have recently started using this one. This one has a blend of a lot of oils, so yeah, a review on this is also going to be up really soon on my Instagram. And we are done with our facial. I hope you guys liked it. You can do this every 15 days or 1 month. After doing my facial at home with such easy kitchen products, I don't think I'm going back to the salons and getting it done because this is so amazing. So yeah, that was it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you liked it, please give a big thumbs up and comment and subscribe to my channel. That would mean the world to me, and I'll see you next time. Bye.